Welcome to our guide on how to create a category on Discord using the mobile application. Discord is a popular communication platform that allows users to create their communities and organize discussions and channels. Categories are an important part of server organization as they allow grouping similar channels in one place, facilitating navigation and server management. Open the Discord application on your phone. Then click on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. Now, you can see that you can navigate to any server where you want to create that category. Keep in mind that, of course, you need to be the owner of that server. It has to be a server you've created yourself. Now, you can see at the top of the server, to the right of it, there are three dots. Click on them. Scroll down a bit, and you will see the Create Category option. All I have to do is tap on that. I can choose whether it's private or public. I'll just name it Fun, and I'll keep it public, not private. Now, all I have to do is tap Create in the top right corner. Now, you can see I created a new category, Fun. I can tap the little plus next to it, and I can create a channel within this category. If I want either a text or a voice channel, of course, I can make it private or not. This is how you create different categories. You can always go here and remove them if you want. You can edit them, you can rearrange them, and all that. That's it for this video.